Hey solar installers! Are you ready to take your business to the next level? In today's digital age, a strong online presence is crucial for success, and Facebook Meta ads can be your secret weapon. With over 2.9 billion active users, Facebook offers an unparalleled opportunity to reach potential customers right where they spend their time. Imagine targeting homeowners in your local area who are actively interested in going green and saving money on their energy bills. That's the power of Facebook ads. By leveraging the platform's advanced targeting options and engaging ad formats, you can generate quality leads and boost your solar installations like never before. This guide will equip you with the knowledge and strategies to harness the full potential of Facebook Meta ads for your solar business. Get ready to watch your sales soar. You might be wondering, why choose Facebook ads over other platforms like Google Ads? While Google is great for capturing users actively searching for solar solutions, Facebook allows you to proactively target potential customers who may not even be aware of their need for solar yet. Think about it. People browsing Facebook are in a different mindset. They are more receptive to discovering new products and services, making it the perfect platform to educate them about the benefits of solar energy. Moreover, Facebook's detailed targeting options, including demographics, interests, and behaviors, allow you to hone in on your ideal customer profile with laser precision. This targeted approach ensures that your ads are seen by people who are most likely to convert, maximizing your return on investment. One of the most powerful features of Facebook ads for solar installers is location-based targeting. This feature allows you to target potential customers within a specific radius of your business location. Why is this important? Because people are more likely to buy from local businesses, especially when it comes to home improvement services like solar installation. Setting up location-based targeting is easy. Within the Facebook Ads Manager, simply navigate to the Location section and enter your desired target area. You can target by country, state, city, zip code, or even draw a radius around your business address. Facebook will then show your ads only to users within that designated area. This ensures that your ad budget is spent reaching the most qualified leads in your local market. Section 4. Lights, camera, conversions, the power of video ads for solar. In the world of online advertising, video is king. People are more likely to engage with and remember video content compared to text or image-based ads. For solar installers, video ads present a unique opportunity to showcase the benefits of solar energy in an engaging and informative way. Consider creating videos that highlight successful solar installations, customer testimonials, or even explainer videos that break down the financial benefits of going solar. Keep your videos concise, visually appealing, and focused on the value proposition for potential customers. Use high-quality footage, clear audio, and a compelling call to action to encourage viewers to learn more. Section 5. Generate hot leads with Facebook lead ads. Looking for a seamless way to capture leads directly within Facebook? Look no further than Facebook lead ads. This powerful ad format allows users to express interest in your services without ever leaving the Facebook platform. Lead ads are designed to make the lead generation process as frictionless as possible, increasing your chances of capturing valuable contact information. When a user clicks on your lead ad, they are presented with a pre-populated form containing their Facebook information, such as their name, email address, and phone number. This eliminates the need for manual input, making it quick and easy for potential customers to submit their information. You can then follow up with these leads directly to schedule consultations and move them closer to a sale. Section 6. Smart Spending Budget Allocation for Maximum ROI. Now that you understand the different Facebook ad formats available, let's talk about budget allocation. For beginners, it's recommended to allocate a significant portion of your budget, around 70%, to new customer acquisition. This means targeting users who have not yet interacted with your business on Facebook.